Is there a specific arrangement or order in which I should install the RAM sticks on my motherboard?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic that confuses many people when they are building their own PCs or upgrading their systems: the correct order and arrangement for installing RAM sticks on a motherboard. Get this right, and you can potentially unlock better performance from your computer.
Why does RAM order matter?
The first question you might be asking is, why does it even matter which slots I put my RAM into? The answer lies in the way that modern computer systems use RAM. Most systems today use a technology called dual-channel memory architecture. This architecture allows the system to access two RAM sticks simultaneously, effectively doubling the data transfer rate between the RAM and the memory controller. However, to take advantage of this feature, you need to have your RAM sticks installed in the correct slots. This is because not all slots on the motherboard are created equal, and they often work in pairs to support this dual-channel technology.
How to identify the correct RAM slots?
So, how do you know which slots to use? Motherboards often come with 2, 4, or even 8 RAM slots, and it can be a bit confusing to figure out which ones you should be using. Typically, RAM slots on the motherboard are color-coded to indicate which slots should be paired together. If your motherboard has 4 slots and they are colored like this, black, gray, then each color indicates a pair. In this case, you would install your RAM sticks in either both black slots or both gray slots. However, this isn't a standard across all motherboards, so it's always best to consult your motherboard's user manual. This manual will tell you exactly which slots to use for the optimal performance.
What if I have more than 2 RAM sticks?
If you have more than 2 RAM sticks, the principle remains the same. You should pair the sticks together in the appropriate color-coded or numbered slots. For example, if you have 4 RAM sticks and 4 slots on your motherboard, 2 black and 2 gray, you'd place 2 RAM sticks in the black slots and the other 2 in the gray slots. That's it, folks. Remember, the order of RAM sticks does matter due to dual-channel memory architecture. Always consult your motherboard's manual to ensure that you're installing your RAM in the optimal configuration. With these steps, you're well on your way to get the best performance out of your PC. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy upgrading!